Hello, modern language students. Happy Thursday. We are going to start the next two class periods off by me reviewing your vocabulary words. Research has shown that when you are studying a language, you guys need to be exposed to a word or phrase at least 80 times to be able to retain it. Now, obviously, this isn't a perfect world, perfect way to have class, I should say. It's not the ideal circumstances. So there's no way we're going to get in 80 plus repetitions of words. But I do want to try to provide you with as much exposure as I can, considering our situation. And so I want to review these words and phrases again. So please bear with me and follow along as I repeat these words in French. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, salut, au revoir, ciao, à bientôt, comment vous appelez-vous, je m'appelle, d'où venez-vous, je suis de, comment allez-vous, je suis fantastique, très bien, comme ci, comme ça, très mal, fâché, fatigué, malade. Vous avez quel âge? J'ai un. Quand est ton anniversaire? Mon anniversaire est le de. Et vous? Moi aussi. Je suis désolé. All right, today you guys are going to continue with your French vocabulary. We are going to be wrapping up French vocabulary. You are going to be doing the ChatterPics activity again today. There are two questions that you are going to answer today. The first question is, comment vous appelez-vous? So you're going to answer the question, comment vous appelez-vous? When you record your video, please do not say the question. You don't need to. I just want you to answer it in French. So that question means what's your name? So you need to answer that in French in a complete sentence. Okay? I had some people last time we did this activity in Spanish who just recorded themselves saying the questions. That's not what I'm looking for. I want you to show me that you can answer these questions in French. So for your question, comment vous appelez-vous? You'll find the right answer right underneath. Okay? So you need to use that phrase to answer your question. The second question that you're going to be answering today is d'où venez-vous? D'où venez-vous? So use the phrase right underneath of that to answer the question. Okay? So please answer those two questions today in your ChatterPics video. Can't talk. First question, comment vous appelez-vous? And your second question is d'où venez-vous? So please answer those two questions in your ChatterPics video for today. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you guys. I really, really, really want you to use ChatterPics, but if for some reason you just cannot get ChatterPics to work, you can record a video of yourself answering these two questions. That's fine too. But I'd like for you guys to use ChatterPics and be creative with it. I really enjoy seeing what you guys come up with. Tomorrow will be our last day for modern language. Next week, you guys are going to be focusing on your Genius Hour activity during this time. And so tomorrow will be our last day together. You will be answering 3 different questions tomorrow, the last 3 questions on your vocabulary list. When you guys have finished your videos, you're going to submit them for the assignments. Today will be I'll probably title it ChatterKids. ChatterKids Day 1 will be today's video. I will link to the assignment underneath this video. So today's assignment, ChatterKids Day 1, I will link to it underneath this video. If you guys are not sure how to use ChatterKids, I will try to find a way to link to the assignment or the announcement in Spanish where I explained it. So I will try to link to that also beneath this video. If you guys have any questions about anything, please let me know. I am here and happy to help. So I hope you guys have a great day.